Hi everyone. Today we are going to the video part. As we can see, there are 6 controls in video part. They are video view, video list view, video source view, video source list view, and a video wall and a remaining window. Today I'm going to talk about the video source. Video source and video source list is for showing the video. We can select a video source view, then we can see the details of it. We can set the name, the ID, the tag, the group number for it, and X, Y are coordinate, and we can change the width and height and stack for it. And we can choose to hide it or show it, choose to disable it and enable it. Here we can set the background for it. We can set an image for it. We can set an image for a background or set it to a color or put a link. Here we can choose the source type. We can choose image source or video source. And I'm going to add a video source as an example. Here is to set the video name and URL. Here we add a link for it. And we name it source 1. Then we can upload it to the processor and here we open the H panel and we select the right IP and go into the interface. And here we can see this is the source we added in the video source view. And now let's come to the source list. Here we can see we can set the name, ID, tag, group number, set the coordinate, the width, the height, stack for it, and we can choose to hide it, show it, disable it, enable it. And here we can change the orientation. We can change it to landscape or portrait. And here we can set the video ratio, spacing, and padding. Here we can choose the source type we need to add. We can choose video source or image source. And here is to edit the video data. We can click the icon here to add the video source. The first one, we name it source 1 and copy a link. We can click this plus icon to add more video source. The second one, we name it source 2. The third one, we name it source 3. And we can click this minus icon to delete the source. And we click the save here. Then we successfully add the source into the video source list. Here we can edit the video ratio and spacing to make it look nice. And here we can set the background of the list. We can set it to red. And here we can set the item background. This background is the source's background. We can set the image as a background, or we can change it to a color or add a link to make it as a background. Here is to set the border. To set the border size and the border's color. Here is to set the shadow type. You can set the shadow shown inside the list or outside the list. And these four values are for the horizontal shift, vertical shift, blur, and the size. And here we can set the shadow's color. The scroll buttons are located at the two sides of the source list. Here we can change the color for it, or we can set an image or add a link for it. Here we can change the color and change it to purple. Here is to set the size of the button. And these two icons are the icon on the scroll button. This one and this one. We can select an icon we want, or we can set an image for it or add a link for it. Then we upload this project to the processor. And open the H panel. Here we can see we have successfully added the source to the video source list. And that's all for the video source and video source list.